deep in my soul.
Got a confession to make. Other than the beautiful opening sequence and amazing drone footage that we shot at 6 a.m. this morning, I haven't shot anything else today. It's like 5:30, getting close to sunset. I haven't shot anything today. Nothing. Kind of said, yesterday's, was a little different. Bear with me here. And it's kind of the same way today. Just, we've been out and about. We've done some stuff. I just don't want to take the camera. It's been a great day. We'll catch you soon. Until then, Pura Vida and peace. Great spot. Great spot.